If you like this video, be sure to crush that like and subscribe button like a monster truck. Welcome everyone to the Monster Truck Mud Surprise Egg Challenge. The mud's here, the crushed cars are here, and all we have to do is open these eggs and crown a champion. Here we go. Captain's Curse. Let's see how Captain's Curse does going through the mud and crushing them cars. Check out that awesome backflip. Here's egg number 2. Let's see who we got. It's the Ice Cream Man! This monster truck makes me want to have a big old bowl of ice cream. Here's Ice Cream Man's turn over the crushed cars. Let's see how he does. Wow, check out Ice Cream Man crashing through them cars. Here comes egg number 3. It's Grave Digger Legend! Wow, Grave Digger Legend smashed those cars like a pancake. Whoa, the mud's flying everywhere out there. And here's the instant replay. Let's see who's hiding in egg number 4. MADUSA. If you like our videos, please smash that subscribe button like a monster truck. Check out this perfect backflip. Oh, what a crash. Time for some monster truck freestyle. We just got word that Ice Cream Man has been disqualified for throwing ice cream at the other monster trucks. Here's our surprise guest truck, Grave Digger. Check out those 360s. Whoa, the mud is flying everywhere out there. Watch out. The judges are about to select their winner. And it's Grave Digger Legend. Here are some bonus footage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And for more cool videos, check out our channel.
Wow, 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 wow.